Dependable businesses need a dependable source of energy. Energy that is available on demand, 24/7, at the push of a button. At the heart of a dependable business, chances are you will find a Cummins generator. Cummins, a global power generation leader that designs, manufactures, and sells power generation systems. With 28 production facilities around the world and a market presence in 190 countries, the wide range of Cummins products powers small businesses and even entire data centers. The most recent addition to Cummins' global production facilities, a world-class factory designed to build world-class engines. This is the Cummins engine plant at Fulton in India. This is where we build the beating hearts that power dependable businesses around the planet. The heart of a dependable generator is a dependable engine. The process of manufacturing an engine begins with a raw engine block. Holes for the crankshaft, pistons, intakes, and exhausts are bored, and contact surfaces are ground and honed by a series of fully automated CNC stations. Quality control stages ensure that any flaws are identified at the earliest stage at which they can be identified. Engine blocks are selected at random and tested using specialized computer-controlled gauges. The machining line at Fulton uses some of the world's most advanced NGNS technologies. Some of the surfaces in the engine block are machined to tolerances as low as 10 microns, 1/10 the width of a human hair. After a computer-controlled leak test, the finished block arrives at the engine assembly line. Multiple checkpoints, both manual and computerized, ensure that the movement and availability of parts and people on the shop floor is synchronized. Sub-assemblies are completed just in time. They are fitted on the block just in time. Customized tooling and handling equipment is installed at all stations. Every quality parameter is computerized, monitored, and logged. The assembly line itself will refuse to move if a QC check fails. Any worker can stop the assembly line if a component fails a quality check. The Cummins engine plant is certified compliant with numerous international quality, safety, and environmental standards. The high-speed assembly line is flexible. All workers are trained to operate multiple workstations. Cross-training allows a worker to assist his or her teammates and to check each other's work. These overlaps in skill sets encourage teamwork, reduce errors, and significantly improve productivity. A collaborative team-based work system is used by all departments at Cummins. Six Sigma is an integral part of Cummins' DNA. Kaizen and Six Sigma practices across the shop floor result in small but tangible improvements. Everything that Cummins does leads to a cleaner, greener, and healthier environment. Engines and generators are painted with an environment-friendly, water-based pigment. By the time the assembled engines reach the final hot testing bays, they have a near-nil rejection rate. The emphasis on continuous improvement and a right first-time approach result in a lean, green, and diverse operation. The alternators used in Cummins generators are manufactured in-house. These arrive just in time at Cummins Power Generation India, where engines are integrated with an alternator and its associated electronic control boards.
Cummins India has many decades of experience in the export market. The NT855 and the V28 are well known across the globe, and they are manufactured here in India. We export to more than 75 countries. Our real challenge is to improve a product that is already best in class.
At the generator assembly line, the system knows exactly when a component arrives at the factory, where it is stored, when it is assembled, and when it enters the production queue. The engine to chassis mounts, the engine alternator coupling, the flywheel coupling, the radiator mounts are all fitted with computer-monitored torques that are logged. Tracking data is retained even after the finished generator leaves Cummins and allows a faster response to a service event. Analysis of these data often precipitates new ideas for improvement. The Cummins Design and Engineering Lab in Pune is the company's largest technical center outside the United States of America.
At Cummins Research and Technology India, we analyze each and every component. Each variable is tested till we know the boundaries. Once we reach that boundaries, we try and push it a little further and then little more. Being a technology pioneer is a demanding task, but someone has to do it. It's what we do.
These achievements are the consequences of what Cummins calls the power of one. One manufacturer, one integrator, one 24/7 distribution network, one point of contact for customers, all working to uphold one standard, the Cummins standard. It's quieter, it's environment friendly, it works harder, it works longer. And most importantly, a Cummins generator is dependable.
And when I say dependability, it does not mean just a dependable product, but also dependable service and dependable people.
Some of our customers run installations in the middle of nowhere. There's 100 variables that they have to worry about, but not the generator.
Whether it's a generator, a truck, or an industrial application, the moment he switches on the Cummins engine, he's ensured that his job will get done.
Every single generator that leaves the Fulton plant is put through a battery of computerized hot tests. Engines are run and tested at successively higher loads. The continual process of small, incremental improvements creates a generator that works flawlessly, even when pushed beyond the boundaries of its design. It must earn the Cummins logo before it is shipped out.
Cummins has been a citizen of India for more than 50 years, and we've invested a lot in building capabilities in research and development, capacity, talent, and most importantly, our pursuit for zero defect. We now want to extend these capabilities to our customers globally. I want to thank you for your trust in Cummins and want to assure you that we will live by our brand promise of dependability by unleashing the power of Cummins.